What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Drunk Face by Machine Gun Kelly. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll punch your drunk face in its face and break your freaking teeth off. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got a few different guitar parts that pretty much play throughout the entire song. I'm going to show you every single one of them, starting with the intro. If you need the guitar tab for any of these, I've left it in the video description, so if you need that, jump into the video description once you get done. The guitar tab is there for you. So we're going to start off with the easiest part of the intro and the verses. It looks like... that just repeats, so you're sliding to the 5th fret on the A string, alternate picking 3 times, and then going to the 6th fret, and then sliding down to 10 on A, 3 alternate picks, and then down to the 8th fret. Now the next part of the verses, and again this can play through pretty much the entire song, it is a picking pattern that's a little bit more difficult. You're going to start by holding a D minor shape. It's a, you're going to bar the 5th fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, pinky finger on the 7th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 6th fret of the B string. Now we're going to start by picking, so that's G, D, B, and then put your pinky on the 8th fret of the D. Then you'll be picking, which is just B, G, D, with your pinky still on the 8th fret. From there you'll be picking D, G, B, and then put your pinky back on the 7th fret of the G. And then pick B, D on 7, D on 8. And that's the first half of the riff. So all together slowly it looks like... Now the second half of the riff looks like... so that's going to be 8 on D, 7 on D, B string, back to 8 on D, and then B, G, D, D, G, B, and then back to 7 on the G. So... and then B, take your pinky off, G, and then back to 8 on the D. So altogether the second half of the riff looks like... so altogether slowly, the full picking part looks like... and that repeats. Now I'll show you the power chords that you can play, and honestly this you can play throughout the entire song if you'd like. It's going to be D power chord, which is 5, 7, 7 on the A, D, and G string. So index finger on the A on the 5th fret, ring finger on the D on the 7th fret, pinky finger on the G on the 7th fret. Then slide that formation down 1 to 6, 8, 8. And then slide that down to 10, 12, 12 on A, D, and G. And then 8, 10, 10. Those are the only 4 power chords you need. And you can palm mute through these. It'll be 6 palm mutes on the D, 10 on your D sharp here or E flat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 6 here, which is technically a G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 here on your F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A strumming pattern for those would be down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, Now the last thing you need to know for the song is there is a little lead part that happens. I think it technically starts to happen in the last chorus of the song. Again, you can play this wherever you want throughout the song. It's pretty fun to play. It looks like... So you're starting on the 10th fret of the G, and then jumping to 12. Then you'll be picking 13 on D, 13, 12 on G, 13, 12, 13. Then 15 on G. So 15, 17 on D, 14 on G, and then 15 on D. And that just repeats. So that whole riff slowly looks like... There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.